So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Cloud Computing Week 4 assignment 4. So the first question is in Azure SQL database, which of the following provides built-in geo replication and is designed for mission critical workloads? So these are the options: basic tier, business critical tier, hyperscale tier, standard tier. So the answer of our first question is B, business critical tier. Now, the second question is you have two VMS in different Azure availability zones in the same region. Which of the following is true about the setup? So, these are the option, and the answer of our second question is C. They are in separate physical location. Now, the third question is what is the maximum number of deployment slots available in the Azure App Service Premium plan? P1 was V3 and higher. So, these are the option 2, 5, 20, 10, and the answer of our third question is C, 20. Now, the fourth question is which built-in security feature helps automatically enforce HTTPS connection for all Azure App Service web apps. So these are the option: Azure App Firewall, Application Gateway, HTTPS only setting, Azure Key Vault. So the answer of our fourth question is C, HTTPS only setting. Now the fifth question is which GCP service is best suited for hosting a NoSQL database with horizontal scalability and global replication. So these are the option: Cloud SQL, BigQuery, Cloud Spanner, Firestore. So the answer of our fifth question is D, Firestore. Now the sixth question is the OpenStack service responsible for block storage is called Dash. So these are the option: Horizon, Cinder, Neutron, Swift. So the answer of our sixth question is B, Cinder. Now the seventh question is Dash is the GCP service that helps manage Kubernetes cluster. So these are the option: Cloud Function App Engineer Engine, GKE, Cloud Build. So the answer of our seventh question is C, GKE. Now, the eighth question is you are designing a multi-region data analytics pipeline on GCP. You want to ensure durable, low latency storage for massive structure logs and provide real-time dashboarding and alerts. What is the best set of GCP service to use? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, BigQuery, Pub, Byspace plus Sub plus Data Studio. Now the ninth question is you deploy two version V1 V2 of your app engine service. You want 70% of traffic to go to V1 and 30% to V2. Which command should you use? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B, G Cloud App Service Set Traffic splits versus V1 equal to 0.7, V2 equal to 0.3. Now the 10th question is a tenant in OpenStack complains that their VMS can't reach the internet. What is the most likely root cause? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is B, Neutron router not configured. So now submit your answer. Friends, for watching this video.